Good morning, students. सब ଭଲ ଅଛ? Very good. ଆଉ ଏବେ ମୋର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସରକାରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ନିର୍ମିତ ଓସେପା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସେକେଣ୍ଡାରୀ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଆନୁକୂଲ୍ୟରେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସଂଯୋଗ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବୋର୍ଡ଼ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା इंग्रेजी पुस्तकर एक पद्य आज पढ़ा ना जहाँकि आमको निहाती दरकार वर्तमान पद्यटीर नाम द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज यू कैन सी हियर द फ्लावर स्कूल वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नेम written by composed by R.N. Tagore. Who is R.N. Tagore? Full form Rabindranath Tagore. जहाँ कि आमे विश्वकवि रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर बोली कहती। यही पद्य विषय रे पिला माने आज आमे कौन पढ़िबा। प्रथमे पढ़िबा about the poet. Secondly, we will discuss about the poem. Thirdly, we will go into the poem and find out the words which seems us difficult. जोटा आमको कष्ट लगुच से पद गुड़ी को देखिबा। चतुर्थ रे पद्यटीर भितरे बा अंतर्निहित थिबा किछि उद्देश्य, धारणा, भावना, इमोशंस, थॉट्स कविंकर आमे देखिबा। ठीक अछि। तो प्रथम रे आमे देखिबा पिला माने एई कविता रे कवि विश्वकवि रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर जहाको कि समस्त जानती, समस्त चिन्हती, किंतु तांको विषय रे आउ टिके आमे छात्र हिसाब रे आउ टिके अधिका जानिबा ना नहीं। ठीक अछि। देखो विश्वकवि रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर was born in the year 1861 and lived up to 1941. How many years he lived? Can you tell me? You calculate. I will ask when we will go to activities. He was a painter, a poet, a playwright, a novelist, a storyteller, a philosopher, a educationist, everything all in one. बुझी पाइले ना पिले से थिले जने कवि, चित्रकर, नाट्यकार, औपन्यासिक, गाल्पिक, दार्शनिक और शिक्षाविद। सब जगह एकाधारे से सब गोटे माने सब गुणर अधिकारी थिले। एंड इट इज most important things to remember that he was the first Asian. He was the Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian who won Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1913. को वर्ष से पहले नोबेल प्राइज जहाँ की विश्व स्तर रे विभिन्न क्षेत्र में ख्याति अर्जन करी विशिष्ट कार्यकलाप जो दिया जाए थाए तांको रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर को साहित्य क्षेत्र में 1913 मसीह रे तांकर साहित्य कृति his literature was named as गीतांजलि। से गीतांजलि पाई 1913 ख्रीष्टाब्द रे नोबेल प्राइज पाइथिले जहाँ की पृथ्वी रे को देश रो केबे केबे 2 जण 4 जण 3 जण 5 जण फिजिक्स फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ और एमती लिटरेचर पीस शांति एमती अनेक क्षेत्र में पाई थांती तारि तो से पाइथिले। ही इज द फर्स्ट एशियन मन रहला प्रथम एशिया रे प्रथम अछि। सो दिस मच इज more for us. Okay, then let us go to the poem. Before getting into the poem, before stepping on the poem, पद्य ऊपर हम पद रखिबा पूर्वरु हम जानिबा पड़ो पोएम टी को विषय रे लिखा है। तो पुस्तक रे अछि, तमर बही रे अछि, तम पाठ रे अछि, किंतु मु ताको टिके छोटो कर दै छी। ले The poet has composed this poem in memory of his deceased mother. What is deceased mother? His mother died. His mother is no more on this earth. ए पृथ्वी रे ए अर्थ रे एठी तांको मां नांदी तांको मां को स्मृति उद्देश्य रे फूल सहित संपर्क रक्षा करी से ए पद्यटी को लिखिछथि. Then second, looking at the small flowers, the poet concludes that they also need warm and love of their mother. से छोट छोट फूल मान को से जतले देखिचंती कवि सेते बेले से फूल मान को देखी से निजे कंक्लूड कर दीचंती. he concludes looking at the small little bloomed flowers that they also need warmth and love of their mother. तांको मां को स्नेह और कोलर उष्मता से फूल माने मध्य चाहुचंती. एई कथा कवि छोट छोट फूल मान को देखी शेषरे उपसंहार रे पहुंची जाइछंती. So this is all about the poem. Now we will go to the test. हमको सिना पिला माने हम पोएट किए कोन तांको विषय टिके जानि देले, पोएम कोन पोएम को विषय हम जानि देले, किंतु वर्तमान हमको तो मुख्य परीक्षा तथा विभिन्न प्रकार जो इंग्लिश रो मुख्य लक्ष्य लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग रीडिंग राइटिंग या ऊपर तो हमको कुछ एम करियो पड़ियो. अदरवाइज हाउ वी विल थिंक दैट वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड. ओके, सो लेट अस सी द टेस्ट. I am reciting, you follow me, and while listening is most important. One who listens he can learn. जे सुनिबो से एगा सिखिबो. So please listen and try to understand the meaning and try to get the difficult words in your mind. We will discuss it. Okay? When storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down, the moist east wind comes marching over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. They do their lessons with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, their masters make them stand in a corner. When the rains come, they have their holidays. Branches clash together in the forest, and leaves rustle in the wind. The thunder clouds clap their giant hands, and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. Do you know, Mother? Their home is in the sky where the stars are. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. सुनला पिलाମାନେ ଭାରି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗୀତଟି गीत परि न लागिले मध्य एथि भितर ए गीत भितर थिबा अंतर्निहित जो आइडिया धारणा देह को रोमांचित कर दिए. तमे मते बुझिबा को चेष्टा कर, बुझिला पर तमे भाबी परियो केते सुंदर. तो एठारे लेखक फूल को प्रशंसा करी कहिचंती फूल होची भगवान को सौंदर्य ओ तांकर सृष्टि. सेही सौंदर्य सेही सृष्टि को आमे उपभोग करी मन को हमको प्रफुल्लित आमे करथो. So look at this. When storm clouds rumble in the sky. What is the meaning of rumble? Here it is written, rumble means to make large and long sound. दीर्घ ध्वनि. तमर बुझिया पे मुठी ओडिया लिखि दीची. आउ हमर ओडिया सेकंड लैंग्वेज क्लास रे we must use ओडिया. So long sound, that is दीर्घ ध्वनि. When storm clouds rumble in the sky. When? And June. Now it is June. Which month it is? It is June. In June, storm clouds, the clouds that comes from every side and there becomes the rumble make sound. मेघ आसिले गड़गड़ शब्द करके पूरा गु 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 शब्द हुए नहीं ठीक से ही पर जब जून मास रे मेघ आकाश रे आसी जाए. Showers come down. Showers. What is showers? Showers, drizzling or झिपी झिपी वर्षा. मेघ जो चारिआड़ आसी जाए जून मासरे से झिपी झिपी वर्षा आरंभ हो जाए आउ मेघर मध्य शब्द आरंभ हो जाए. Then what happens? The moist east wind comes marching. East wind. East means पूर्व. Wind पवन. पूर्व पवन. That is not dry. East wind is not dry during June. It is moist. Moist means udaya. What does it mean? Moist. The air particles are filled with water particles. So that is moist. Okay? Thank you. Udaya. Purva pavan asi jaye se samare. Ebe केमती लाଗୁଛି देखुछो टिके पवन आसी गला पर देह सब अठाठा लाଗୁଛି. That is called moist wind. Over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. What is the meaning of heath? Heath. What is the meaning of heath? Heath means open grassland. खुला घास पड़िया. से खुला घास पड़िया रे जो to blow its bagpipes. Do you know what is the meaning of bagpipes? One type of musical instruments that is hold on shoulder and wind instrument. Bagpipe देखिछे बोले गोटे एमती गोटे बोधे रबर रो कि कोन सेटा गोटे खांदर धराइथो गोटे बजाउथो चारि पटे पछ पटे चारि गोटा सब बाहर थो पाइप गुडा पवन आउट पड़ले साउंड होथो. That is called bagpipes. सेही जो शब्द सेही जो moist east wind रो सेही जो bagpipe शब्द आसी जाए. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden. ठीक ए समय रे देखिबो कि कुडथिबे किछि जणा पडु नथिबो किछि नथिबो भूमि सब टांगरा थिबो कोडे कोडे गोटे 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 फूल गछ थिबो किंतु वर्षा आसी जेतेबेले पवन आसी जाय जून मास रे सेतेबेले कोन हुए crowds of flowers पूरा फूल छोट छोट फूल उडा सब कुआड़ थिबे सब फुटी जाते चारियाडे सब फूल फुट जाते. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden. A sudden. हठात अनेक फूल फुटी जाए. From nobody knows where and dance. From nobody knows where. कोठु आसिला. Where did the flowers come? Nobody knows. Nobody knows where they come. But they come. Crowds of flowers come and dance upon the grass in wild glee. Where do they dance? They dance upon the grass. Dance upon the grass in wild glee. How do they dance? Wild glee. What is the wild meaning of wild glee? Wild glee means खुशी उत्कंठा. कुआडे अछंती कोन किछि जणा पड़ेनी जेमिति जून मास आसी जाए मेघमान आकाश रे खेली जांती पवन जतले सुसु शब्द करी तार बैकपाइप बजेबा आरंभ कर दिए. सावर जतले ड्रिजलिंग जतले पड़िबा आरंभ हो जाए हजार हजार कोटी कोटी फूल कुआडे थांती सब गछरे फुटी जांती आउ खुशी उत्कंठा सहित घास उपरे नाच तार तो घास पड़िया रे जो फूल उडा फुटिकी दौड़ू थांती पवन रे सेटा को कवि कहिसथि समांतर नाच बुझिला. मदर oh mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି फूल माने मध्य स्कूल को जानती. Oh mother, I really think the flowers go to school. Underground. Where is their school? Underground school. You see, children, students, you see, the name of the poem is The Flower School. So, it clearly says that the school of flowers. So, the poet says that, oh mother, ତାଙ୍କ ମାଆଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମାଆ କି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ବଞ୍ଚି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି ମାଆ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ଫୁଲମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି, କୋଉଠି ଅଣ୍ଡରଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ତଳକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି, and do their lesson with shut door. କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ଡୋର ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ସେମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଲେସନ କରୁଥାନ୍ତି, ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ଅଣ୍ଡରଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ schools, and the flowers go school underground and do their lessons shutting the door. Shutting the door means under the earth, the soil. The soil is covered, so it is the shutting the door. And if they want to come out to play before the master makes them stand in a corner, जदि ता पूर्व ସେମାନେ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ, because they are into school. ତମାନେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯିବ, ସ୍କୁଲ ବେଲ୍ ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ, ରିସେସ୍ ବେଲ୍ ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତମେ ଯଦି ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବ, ସାର୍ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛୁ, ନାଇଁ ଯିବାକୁ ହବନି, ବସ ଏଠି. ଠିକ୍ ସେହିପରି ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବାହାରିବା ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ ବାହାରିବା ପାଇଁ, ତାହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଷ୍ଟର ତାକୁ ସାଇଡ୍ କରି ନ ଷ୍ଟେ, you will go out when time will come. When the rains come, when is their time? When is the time to flowers to come out? Only when the rain comes, they have their holidays. When the rain comes, they have their holidays. Branches class gather together in the forest. In the forest, jungle ଭିତରେ ବା ବଣରେ ସବୁ ଗଛର ଶାଖା ଗୁଡାକ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରନ୍ତି. କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମାନେ ପିଲେ ବାଡାବାଡି ହେବେ, ପବନରେ ଏମିତି ବାଡାବାଡି ହେବେନି. Class together in the forest, and the leaves rustle in the wind. ପବନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହବ ପତ୍ର ଗୁଡାକ କ'ଣ ହୁଅନ୍ତି, ପବନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହବ ପତ୍ର ଗୁଡାକ ଝୁଣ 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 ଶବ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି. ଠିକ୍ ସେଇ ସମୟଟା ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ହଲିଡେ. That is their holiday. The thunder clouds. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ସେ ସମୟରେ? Thunder clouds clap their giant hands. What is this giant hand? Means when we clap, it makes sound. So thunder clouds have also giant hands, very big. Clouds have also very big hands, and they clap. That means thunder. ଘଡ଼ଘଡ଼ି ମାରୁନିରେ ସେଟା ହେଉଛି କବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ମେଘ ତାର ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ହାତରେ ତାଳି ମାରୁଛି. And the flower children rush out in dress, pink, yellow, and white. Say somewhere when these things happen, that is their holiday. That is the holiday of the flowers. So they come out, they rush out, they speedily come out, they run out with different colors of dresses. What are the dresses? Pink, yellow, and white. These are three colors, but you can say many colors. Flowers are not of only three colors. Many colors. Okay. Do you know, mother? Their home is in the sky. Emma, tu ଜାଣିଛୁ ନା ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଘର ହେଉଛି ଆକାଶରେ. ଦେଖୁନୁ, where the stars are, where do stars live? Where do stars dazzle? Stars dazzle in the sky. So the poet says that, do you know, mother? The flowers' home is in the sky, where the stars live. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? माँ तमें देखिनो केमती सेमाने eager आतुर जीवा पाए. How they are eager, how they are excited to go to their home. Where is their home? Their home is in the sky. Who other live in the sky? Stars live in the sky, and their mothers live in the sky. So they are very much eager. They are very much excited to go there. Haven't you seen how eager they are to go there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? माँ तुम जाने ना सो मैंने कहीं कि हरि होचंती एते व्यस्त होचंती एते जीवा पई एते तरतर होचंती तरबर होचंती व्हाई दे आर इन हरी टू गो टू देयर होम टू गो टू द स्काई टू गो टू देयर मदर तमे जानि ना ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन गेस मु अनुमान करि परछि मु जानि परछि टू होम दे रेज देयर हैंड्स से माने कहा पई से मानकर हाथ उठे की रखिचंती कहा पई से माने हाथ उठे की रखिचंती मु जानि परछि तमे जानि परछ ना they have their mother as I have my own जेमती मो माँ ऊपर अच्छी ठीक से से मानकर माँ मध्य से ऊपर अच्छी तेणुक से मैंने सब हाथ उठेकी आतुरतार सहित रही बुझला पिला एनी डाउट ताकि जदि आउ टिके ओडिया रे क्लियर कर देबी माँ मु भावे फुल माने निश्चित माटी तले से मानको स्कूल रे पढ़ंती से माने द्वार बंद करी पाठ पढ़ंती से माने बाहर आसी खेलिबा को उत्कंठा सह चाहती किंतु शिक्षक माने समय होई नथिबार छाडंती नाही जेते बेले वर्षा आसे से मानको छुट्टी आरंभ हुए एही समय रे जंगल रे गछ शाखा प्रशाखा माने परस्पर धक्का खाई पवन रे जोर बुलिबा को लागंती मेघखंड गुड़िक से मानकर विशालकाय हाथ धरे ताली मारती आउ बेसी ओडिया कहबानी क्लियर डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स व्हेन स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स रंबल दीर्घध्वनि शावर झिपिझिपि वर्षा मॉइस्ट ओदालिया ईस्ट विंड पूर्व पवन हीथ खोला घास पड़िया बैक पाइप्स एक प्रकार वाद्य यंत्र अबाउट द पोएट अच्छा एवरीथिंग इज हियर any doubt why do the flowers raise their hands they raise their hands because they are eager they are excited to go to heaven to go to sky sorry not heaven to go to sky why do they are eager to go to sky because their mothers are there why do they come in June because June is the holiday June is a holiday for them where what is the holidays what happens in their holidays in their holidays rain comes east wind west branches in the forest clashes each other clouds thunder clouds clap with their giant hands so all these things okay now I will do one activity if you have notebooks then now you start writing only 5 to 7 marks 7 questions but I will read more questions the poem is about death certainly it is nature surely nature storm cloud death in the sky you can see rumble in the sky what comes marching over the heath moist wind comes marching over the heath which word tells that the east wind is not dry this is को पदटा तुम कहूची जे ईस्ट विंड ड्राई नाही मॉइस्ट उदाली वेट होता मॉइस्ट कहूची जे मॉइस्ट बोली जो वर्ड टा लिखा है पदरे से कहि दोची जे ईस्ट विंड टा ड्राई नो हाउ डज द मॉइस्ट ईस्ट विंड कम विद द वाइट कम how does the moist east wind come it comes with its bagpipes blowing among the bamboos how do the crowds of the flowers come out the crowds of the flowers come out all in a sudden हठात आसी जांदी वर्षा जेंदी जाए मेघ पवन आइ जेंदी वर्षा आइ जाए कोडी थांती केमिति थांती काई आसी की घास पड़िया नाच करले where do the flowers dance and how upon the grass केमिति आउ कोडी नाचंती upon the grass field and in glee उत्कंठार सहित आग्रह सहित when season is described which season is described in the poem beginning of the rainy season not rainy season beginning of the rainy season where are the flowers all the year round फुल गुडाक वर्षटा जाक कोडी थिले पिले the flowers were underground in their school shutting the doors they were doing their lessons who are the flowers compared to the flowers are compared to the school children so you can certainly guess that the flower school means school for flower. As schools for children, we have, they have also school for flowers. How do they do their lesson? They do their lesson underground, shutting the doors. Very good. Here, so some questions more. What does the speaker guess? What does the writer guess? लेखक कौन guess है? Poet. Poet कौन guess कर पारुचंती? Oh mother, I can guess why they are raising their hands. Why they are eager to go sky. ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି sky କୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ guess କରି ପାରୁଛି. Why are they in hurry? They are hurry to meet their mother, to get their love and to get their warm. Clear? If any doubt, we will discuss it next class. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. ପିଲା ହାତ ଧୋଇବ, ଭାତ ଖାଇବ. Okay? Thank you.
ବନ୍ଦ କର।